brown, blue, purple, red, the natural blonde. That's green, pink, this part's pink, yellow, orange. Like my pants, they're so pretty. Back view, back profile. Yes, it's a head spin all the way around. This is an American Girl, by the way. I know, pretty girly, but I got it for Christmas like 2 years ago. So that's top. This is it down. This is it down. It's my computer. Oh, I'm sitting on the towel. Oops. That's classic. I think I dropped it. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? I can't find the brush. Oh, there's. I found it. My room, it's so pretty. Not really. It sucks. This is it. Fix it. There. And side view. Brown, blue, purple, red, in that order. And the other side view. Green, pink, yellow, orange. Pretty. And then back view. Back view. Front view. Front view. Front view. I think it's cool. She's currently only wearing one. Oh, she's not wearing shoes. She doesn't really stand, but I bought this dress at a horse show thing, majigger. No, it was a rodeo that I was dragged to by my mother, and I thought it was really pretty. I begged her to buy it for me, and yeah, that's my American Girl. I'm sure my hair probably looks like crap right now, but bye. I think you can see me. Bye. I hope you can see me. Bye.